Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and easy everyday makeup look. Perfect for beginners. Whether you're just starting out with makeup or looking for a fresh, natural look for your daily routine, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your face is clean and moisturized. This will create a smooth base for your makeup and help it last longer. I like to start with a good moisturizer and SPF to protect my skin from the sun. Next, we're going to apply a primer. A primer helps to create a smooth canvas and makes sure your makeup stays put all day. Just take a small amount and gently massage it into your skin. Now it's time for foundation. For an everyday look, I like to go with a light to medium coverage foundation. I'm using a liquid foundation, but you can use whatever works best for your skin type. Use a beauty sponge or a brush to blend it in, making sure to cover any redness or uneven areas. Next up, concealer. I use it under my eyes to brighten up my face and on any blemishes or redness. Dab it in gently with your finger or a sponge for a seamless finish. To set everything in place, I'm using a translucent setting powder. This helps to mattify the skin and lock in all the makeup we've applied so far. Just lightly dust it over your face, focusing on areas that get oily, like the T-zone. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. For a natural look, I use a brow pencil to lightly fill in any sparse areas. Follow the natural shape of your brows for a soft, everyday look. You can also use a brow gel to set them in place. For the eyes, I'm going with a simple neutral eyeshadow palette. Start with a light shade all over your eyelid, then add a slightly darker shade in the crease to create some depth. This gives a soft, natural look that's perfect for everyday wear. Next, apply mascara to your lashes. I love using a lengthening mascara for a natural, wide-eyed effect. A few coats on your upper lashes should be enough for a soft, everyday look. Now let's add a little color to the cheeks with some blush. I'm using a soft pink blush for a natural flush. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy, fresh look. Finally, for the lips, I'm using a nude lipstick or lip gloss. This gives a natural, polished finish without being too bold. You can go for a lip balm if you prefer something more hydrating. To finish, I like to set everything in place with a setting spray. This helps my makeup last all day and keeps everything looking fresh. And here you have it. A simple, natural, everyday makeup look that's perfect for beginners. This is a quick and easy routine that you can do in just a few minutes, and it's perfect for school, work, or just running errands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident in your makeup routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you next time!